Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a finished cross-stitch project, but not only that, I want to show you 3 new cross-stitch kits that I purchased from Russia. But let's start with this cross-stitch project first. This was so easy to cross-stitch. It looks like a very old traditional farm and it's kind of nestled into a very rich landscape. It has a lot of different colors and very little backstitch. The only backstitch that is present here is on the fence here. And I really like the cross-stitch autumn projects. Like this one has a lot of sunflowers and pumpkins, and the trees have their foliage in different colors. So I really liked it. It took me about 3 weeks to finish this project, and I took this from a cross-stitch magazine, a British cross-stitch magazine that is called Cross-Stitch Gold. This was for August 2018. This is what it looks like if you frame it. This was the chart and was very easy to follow. The chart is in 2 pages. And these are the color chart. These, well, you can choose DMC, Anchor, or Madeira. I chose to cross stitch with DMC floss. The finished work is about 8 by 10 inches. I used Zweigart Aida fabric, 14 count, and DMC thread. It was very easy and fun to make. And now I want to show you the cross-stitch kits that I ordered from Russia. This is from Oven. This is beautiful winter wonderland. It really reminds me of the forest or the woods that are near where I live. The article number is 1166. It has Zweigart fabric. I think it's 16 count. And it has 22 different colors. And on the back you can only see the fabric and the needle, not the floss. And the floss, this is not DMC or Anchor. This is some kind of Russian made floss. The second one, this is by Magic Needle. And the article number is 7401. Very nice window with flowers. Blossoming window, it's called. And this has 14 count Aida fabric, but not Zweigart. And it has Russian made floss, not DMC, not Anchor. And it has 30 colors. The chart is in color, and here you can see. It's very easy to follow. And I think it also has French knots here. Here you can see all the French knots. And the last one. This is also from Magic Needle. And the article number is 7405. This beautiful balcony with all these beautiful colors and flowers. This is Blossoming Balcony, and this is Blossoming Window. This is also with 14 count Aida fabric, not Zweigart. And this is also Russian made floss, not DMC and not Anchor. The chart is also in color, easy to follow. I think these two will go very well together. What do you think? Well, let me know what you think about this finished project. Would you ever want to cross stitch something like this? Tell me what you think about these cross stitch kits. Which one you liked? Which one would you like to cross stitch? And please subscribe because I have so much more to come. And give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. And I hope you have a great day. And I hope you have a great week and weekend. Bye.